next page? S. Stegosaurus.
Yeah. Scary.
It's a scary.
Dinosaur.
Oh, T. Tyrannosaurus. It is scary. You're right. What's Tyrannosaur gonna do?
The baby.
Eat the baby. Tyrannosaurus Rex, a big scary dinosaur.
A baby.
Oh no! What's on the next page?
A book. Dancers dance.
Oh, you're dancing.
The dancers.
Oh, dinosaurs dance.
Dinosaur eat the baby.
Oh no, dinosaur eat the baby.
Eat baby.
Oh no.
See that's this.
What does Stegosaur have on his back? This one. What does Stegosaur have?
But
Spikes. Spikes, that's right.